So I just got my Toshiba ML2-EM09PA microwave oven. It says here I should be able to set the clock by hitting the clock button, hitting the time, then hitting the clock button again. On the first clock button hit, it should flash the hour, but I don't get the hours flashing. Press the clock button, it's stuck on the timer. If I enter in time, 9:30, the clock button doesn't work. It's stuck on the timer. And after 1 minute, it's going to clear itself. I don't like this panel. It seems to be, you have to press and release. On the release is when you triggers the button.